Use this template maker. You'll need a Bono Hair template maker, tape, scissors, a marker, and cling wrap. Step 1. Insert a layer of cling wrap into the template maker. Unfold the tool and apply a considerate size of cling wrap on it. Perforated film is not recommended. If only I have a choice. Make sure the film is big enough to cover all edges. Smooth out any wrinkles. We recommend you tape around the edge to secure the film and get the maximum flatness. Fold the template maker to bind the film. Step 2. Position the device. Push it down gently to create an accurate curvature. Avoid overstretching the film. Mark the bald area and label the direction. Tape the film to secure its shape. Step 3. Remove the film and cut the template out. Compared to the method we did before, this template maker creates an unwrinkled, better shaped template with less time.